It's Penny and the Professor. What's new?
What's new?
What's new with you? When Penny has a question, the Professor has an answer. She likes to help out everyone. That curious penguin asks all the right questions to help us all learn right along. It's Penny and the Professor. It's Penny and the Professor. Here's Penny.
Chicka chicka boom boom, chicka chicka boom boom. What? Oh, the kids are here. Sorry, I didn't know you guys were here yet. Penny said, the kids are here. You're embarrassing yourself. I'm not embarrassing myself. I'm just reading my fluent phrase, my repeated phrase, so I can practice my reading fluently. Right? Do you guys want to practice with me? Because there's something really cool about our repeated phrase I've noticed. Do you guys see this thing at the end? After boom, it goes like this. What is that called again? An exclamation point, yes. So the exclamation point goes, boop, right? And it means we get to read it with energy and excitement, like I was just doing. Chicka chicka boom boom, right? You want to read it with me? Let's go. Chicka chicka boom boom. That's right, boom boom. And then under that it says, will there be enough room? And there's a different kind of mark at the end of will there be enough room. What is that called? That's right, a question mark. Question marks are super important because they come at the end of a question. And since we wonder all the time, we're definitely going to need question marks, right? Because when we wonder and ask a question, you have to use a question mark at the end. So question marks are important. And now we have that in our repeated phrase. We have an exclamation point. We have a question mark. Wow. So exciting, you guys. We're learning so much. So now that we know that's a question mark, we should probably take a look at Fluffy's focus question. Let's see what Fluffy's question is. So Fluffy has a focus question for Chicka Chicka Boom Boom that says, where is your focus question? Oh, here it is. How do our senses help us learn from Chicka Chicka Boom Boom? Thanks, Fluffy. That's a great question. So how do our senses help us learn from this book? It's going to be different than how we used our senses or how CJ used his senses or how the boy in the other book used his senses. This is how do we personally use our senses to learn from Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. Well, I'm using my sense of hearing right now. I know you are. I'm using my sense of sight right now. I know you are. Cassie has a new question. Now before, Cassie had asked us, what do we notice and wonder? And we noticed and wondered so many things in Flower Day and in the book Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. But you know, Cassie's new question is, what is happening? What is happening in Chicka Chicka Boom Boom? What is happening to these letters? What are they doing? And so today we'll try really hard to answer that question about what is happening for Cassie so that she knows. Does that sound like a good plan? Thumbs up if it's a good plan. I think it is a good plan. All right, so before we start studying what's happening in Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, let's practice deciding what do we think is happening in Flower Day. So I'm going to put Flower Day back up here for us so we can look at that a little bit. Penny, what do you think is happening in Flower Day? What do you think is happening in this painting? Oh, she thinks maybe that man is bringing flowers to people. Maybe it's even his family. Let's see what Fluffy thinks might be happening in Flower Day. What do you think, Fluffy? Let me hear you. Oh, I gotta get down here, guys. Yeah, so Fluffy thinks that maybe it's a celebration or a party of some kind, because it's called Flower Day. Like maybe it's a big flower festival or something special about Flower Day. Good one. Those are some good ideas. What do you think is happening in Flower Day? Tell me in the discussion what you think is happening in this painting. We're just wondering what you know about what's happening in Flower Day. Can't wait to hear what your ideas are. See you soon.